now time for us to welcome your Ate Eliza Valdez!
So, let the games begin! Good luck, everyone! And to the local coaches from Makati, thank you so much for spending time. To my coaches, Coach K, Coach Bok, Coach PD, Coach JP, thank you so much. To Mayor Abby, thank you so much again for allowing us to have our camp here. May 3 tips lang ako. 3 H. First, kailangan honest tayo. So, kailangan honest kayo sa sarili nyo. Pag sinabi nyo sa sarili nyo, I'll do 100 times, I'll make sure sa sarili ko, gagawin ko yon 100 times. Second, you have to be hungry. Bakit everyday, gustong-gusto ko pa rin pumunta sa practice? Kasi everyday, hungry ako for learning. Feeling natin, okay na tayo. Feeling natin, na-achieve na natin yung mga goals natin. Pero kailangan pa rin nating maging hungry pagdating sa learning. So, dapat hindi yun mawawala sa inyo. And lastly, the 3rd H, kailangan humble tayo. Kung anong position natin, anong na-achieve natin, may award man tayo ngayon, wala man tayong award ngayon, we're all here to play volleyball. We're equals here. Walang mas nakakataas sa atin, walang mas nakakababa sa atin. Dahil we respect each other. We have to respect each other. If may award tayo ngayon, we make sure we try to uplift also our other teammates. Kung wala man tayong award, let's celebrate our teammates. I hope maging motivation ito para mas galingan pa natin at mas maging inspired tayo sa paglalaro ng volleyball. Thank you so much, kids. Sana madami kayong natutunan sa ating mga coaches. We hope to see you all sa next volleyball camp po. Maraming salamat po.